So here right on top we have the EGR valve, which is right here. They wanted it replaced. Apparently the shop they took it to said that it was bad, which could be. Don't know. This is a 10mm bolt. Your hose won't come off. Mine is because somebody broke off the bolts down there, so awesome enough. Gonna have to drill them out and whatnot, but it's another 10mm. And number 3. That's what it looks like. Now this one is considered the one with the horizontal mount. If you're looking it up, that's what it calls for. Got the new one here. This is a Value Craft one. It's the EGR 1147 VC. Just because it was readily available today. Not exactly the brand I would have went with, but get your gasket placed in there. There we go. Start it by hand so you don't risk cross-threading anything. Now we can go ahead and drive it in. Yeah, you don't want to over tighten this. Just use your best judgment. I don't have torque specs on this, but yeah, you don't. It's aluminum, so you don't have to use all your power you can tightening that up, and then eventually run the risk of stripping that. How they fix that, I don't know. I'm not a mechanic, but pretty sure it's not it's just easier to not strip it. All right, plug this back in. There's the click, and that's how you replace the EGR valve.